Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be going to JC Road to get few accessories fixed on my bike. So let's see how it unfolds. So I am at this Thirumala auto stop. So what happened is he don't have the AS200 windshield. So I'll better go to Bajaj showroom and get one and ask him to get it fixed. So as I told, today I went to Thirumala Pit stop, to get AS200 visor fixed, but apparently that specific visor was not available, and there was something from Kawasaki, I think, which costed 1400. I did not like the shape and finish of that, so I was little adamant on going for the AS1. So went in search for that visor in some 3-4 showrooms, but unfortunately didn't find it. So I found a wholesale dealer, got it for a 10% lesser price than what it actually sells for. Also ended up buying Dominar indicators, and came back to Thirumala, and I think the service guy was Imran, so he charged me around 600 for fitting the indicators, flasher and this visor. I specifically asked him to put a clamp so that the visor fits in snug. So all in all, good service. I'm very much satisfied with Thirumala. So let's see, I think my bike is ready now.